Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to check if your phone is NTC approved on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and you can see below the about phone. Okay, tap this. Here in about phone, okay, you can see the NTC approval. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this to show if your phone is approved by NTC. And the pop-up will show, okay, this device is type approved in the Philippines. Okay, this Samsung Galaxy A02 is approved of the NTC in the Philippines. Okay, you can see here the logo of NTC. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully checked if your phone is NTC approved on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.